Hello students, today we are going to study about light, what actually light is and how we are able to see objects around us. Students, let us start with definition of light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which can be transformed in other forms of energy. What does this mean? This means light is a type of energy that can be converted into other kinds of energy for its usage. Now you can question where this energy is used. A very simple example is plant. A plant uses light energy from sun for photosynthesis and prepares its food. Similarly, we human also use this energy. How do we use? We have solar panels, we use solar cells, solar cookers. We store this energy and then convert it into desired form of energy. Like through solar cells, we change it into electrical energy and run our home appliances. Okay, therefore light is a kind of energy which can be converted into other forms of energy for more usage. Now let us read about few properties of light. Okay, first property is light travels in a straight line. Light always have a straight path. It always travels in a straight line. It doesn't need a material medium to travel. What does this mean, students? Material medium to travel. See, light can travel in vacuum also. If there is nothing, then also light can travel. It doesn't need a medium to carry it. It doesn't need anything to travel. Okay. Next is in vacuum, light travels with a speed of 3 times 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in vacuum where there is nothing. The light will travel with this speed, with a speed of 3 times 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Now students, let us answer this question. How do we actually see an object? Students, to see an object, to have a view of an object, the necessary condition is that light from that object should reach the viewer's eyes. Light from that object should reach the viewer's eyes. As you can see in this diagram, students, see, light from this bulb is reaching eyes of viewer. Then only this bulb is visible to viewer. Okay, students, in this case this bulb is a luminous object. It has its own light. Okay, therefore the viewer can see this object. Then students, but what happens when an object has uh, no light of its own? What does happen in that case? Let us understand. Students, let us first discuss what we actually call those objects which have their own light and those objects which do not have their own light. See, luminous word is used for objects which can emit light, and non-luminous word is used for those objects which cannot emit their own light, which do not have their own light. Examples are chair, table, notebook. Maximum things are in our daily life are non-luminous. Very few objects are luminous. Light source. Luminous objects are source of light. Non-luminous objects are not a source of light. Students, here a very good question arises. What is that? How can we see non-luminous object? If it's a necessary condition that light should enter the eyes of viewer from the object to be seen, then how a non-luminous object can emit light and viewer can see it? This is not possible for non-luminous object, but there is another way to see an object. What is that way? The light from a luminous source should reflect from the surface of that object to the eyes of viewer to make it seen. Students, The light may be emitted from that object, first condition is this, or may be reflected from its surface in case of non-luminous object. The second case is the light may be reflected from the surface and that light may be coming from a luminous object. If this condition satisfied, then also we can see the object. All non-luminous objects are seen according to this phenomena. I hope students you have understood this concept. Thank you so much.